Continues to push off to the west and northern Bryan County. So putting a track on this, do you have some information, Dave?
Yeah, the Weather Service is saying the storm which prompted that has dropped below severe limits, so they no longer expect that to be producing a tornado.
Okay, so it will expire at 1:45. That's 2 minutes from now, but basically they're saying it's over for that tornado warning. But the next one we're watching, again, not tornadic, but I'm going to give you a heads up here. Wilmington Island, 150, 209 Savannah, 220 Garden City, 228 Port Wentworth. This next band, possibly of rotating showers moving inland, is going to be something to watch. Of course, the entire First Alert Weather team will be here throughout the afternoon, through this evening, through tonight, as our focus shifts from tornadic threats. Of course, that will continue into this evening to that of storm surge and that of gusty straight line winds. The other thing, just because the storm isn't rotating or producing a tornado, it is likely producing some gusty straight line winds. This will increase the risk for power outages. All the more reason to have your app turned on, your alerts in the right settings, as we possibly lose power and still have these tornadic showers moving through the area. Dave?
Cutter, just coming in right now, I'm looking at some of the reports over here from the National Weather Service, and they're getting a report of some tops of trees down and debris in the roadway on Quaco Road. So a possible tornado, they're saying there on the National Weather Service chat over there. So we're going to go ahead and maybe try to send somebody out there to try to investigate that.
Yeah, and I don't have storm reports on here, I believe, but that matches directly with exactly where, you know, Dean Forest in 16 or Dean Forest in 17, that was the area at one point that we were tracking it. So very much likely yes, from that same storm. So again, it was that proves the point here, folks. It was radar indicated. Remember, it said that, but there likely was a tornado that did cause damage in a populated area, I will say, of western Chatham County. You said Quaco in 17?
It said Quaco Road near I-1695.
Okay, so actually further north. So the far southern end of Pooler. Again, Quaco, kind of southeast of Bloomingdale there. Quaco closer to 16.
2 miles southwest of 95 and 16. So on Quaco Road, probably closer between 17, down near probably near the Dollar General.
Okay, so again, if you're familiar with that area, Quaco near 17, the Dollar General, very heavily populated area. Just because it says radar indicated does not mean there's not anything. It takes a while to get confirmation. Remember, we could not see that on our tower cam. That is literally just 3/4 of a mile, maybe a couple of miles down the road on 17 Ogeechee. So again, not a huge sign that there was something significant, but we are now getting reports of damage into the newsroom. If you're listening in the studio or in the newsroom, again, hopefully we're sending someone out there. Traffic tracker. Okay, so we're going to have some live video from the scene here coming up shortly. But Dave, I don't know if you. Okay, we do have Jamie Casino traffic tracker. I think this is Ogeechee. We're just past Chatham Parkway, just off to the west of Chatham Parkway, I believe, headed westbound. So it's not going to be long, just down the road here before we are near Quaco. Again, that's going to be west of the Kroger, west of Dean Forest, right there at that Shell station. There's a Shell station there, 17 and Quaco.
Oh, okay, I know where he is. Yeah.
So we're not too far from that location. Again, we're going to search Quaco, go up and down. A lot of folks do live over there. If you know anyone that lives on Quaco, we'll give it a wide range here between 16 and 17 Ogeechee. Give them a call. Make sure they're okay. Let them know they can tune in to WTOC or just get any form of information. WTOC Weather App, National Weather Service, no weather radios. If you don't have a smartphone, if you don't have the app, make sure those are on and charged. But we are, again, WTOC Jamie Casino traffic tracker headed out to Quaco and 17 in search of damage. Now, you said that was tree damage is what we heard, correct?
It said tops of trees taken down and some debris in the roadways out there. That's what we are have been told from the National Weather Service. And again, we got our traffic tracker heading out to that area. He's heading down over towards the Quaco Road region.